Some of you may have been used to using TurnItIn in a way that you just go to the TurnItIn site and submit the files yourself and then get a report from it. You see the similarity report that comes back, and then you decide whether or not you're going to accept the paper, and the student is none the wiser. That's not the way we use TurnItIn. We actually use the TurnItIn submission tool with our assignments. So let me show you how that actually takes effect within our course. Let's say you have just a regular run-of-the-mill assignment where you have chosen to make the submission type online and you have decided to just do a file upload. So this would just be a standard submission where you've asked the students to write something in their word processor. They've created a document, maybe a PDF, maybe a docx file extension. So they're just going to submit a file, and this is what it would look like to the student. They start their assignment, and then they upload the file. If instead of online, you have the external tool, and we just now want to find the external tool, and you'll see there might be a lot of selections for you. And if you go down alphabetically, you'll see a TurnItIn option. If you click TurnItIn and then click Select here, this will allow you to use TurnItIn submissions. Now, another option is, do we want to load this tool in a new tab or not? Let me show you what it looks like to the student both ways. Here, the student sees it that it's not in a new tab, and instead of start your assignment up here at the top, if you scroll down, you'll see there is the assignment dashboard, and here is the name of the assignment, and I upload submission. And I just, as a student, again, click this button, and I have the ability to choose a file and upload it. That's what it looks like to a student if they're not opening it in a new tab. If you have selected that it is forcing a new tab for them to submit it, and if we go back, you can just see clicking this tab right here. If you do click that and we save it, now when the student comes, it will look like this. It forces them to see the name of the assignment here, and it requires that it be opened in a new window. They click on it and the new window appears. And now they have pretty much the same view. It's just instead of being embedded, it's in a new window. When they do submit this, you will get a notification that they've submitted it. It will take them a moment. This way, not only do you get to see the report, the student also gets to see how they were judged based on the similarity report and whether or not, they cited things correctly. So they will also get some learning from this and some accountability to their own submission, and they will know that it's been submitted and they will be able to read the report themselves. So that's how our TurnItIn works. And I'll just show you this brief example of what a report looks like. And again, this is my view as an instructor, and then here is the view of how the student sees it. That's how we use TurnItIn. I hope that helps.